Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to verify your number phone on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram your number phone on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window or to the app of Telegram and you can click here in this page. Then this list of app info, you click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.